Are you planning a trip and wondering if you can use your Revolt card abroad in 2025? Good news. Yes, you can, and it's super simple. Let me walk you through how to make it work. First things first, open your Revolt app and head over to the Cards tab, request a new card, and you can choose between a physical card or a virtual card depending on what works best for you. Once your card is set up and visible under the card section, it's ready to use abroad. Revolt will automatically handle currency conversion for you. Here's how it works. If you make a payment in currency you don't currently hold, Revolt will automatically convert your local currency into the one you need using their own exchange rates. Want to be even more prepared? You can create a currency specific account within the app. Just go to the accounts and tap on new and select the currency you want to use. This lets you load the wallet with that specific currency and ahead of time, avoiding automatic conversions during your trip. Whether you let Revolt handle the exchange on the spot or set up currency wallet in advance, your Revolt card will work abroad. Just make sure it's activated and topped up. That's it. Quick, easy, and hassle free. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching.